Good morning and happy Friday, fellow traders. This is Mr. Mike with the Forex news announcements for this morning. Yesterday, it looks like the US dollar was going back down, at least it was in the morning session. Well, as we saw yesterday, it ended up going back up. So, as we look at the US dollar index, it was going down and looks like it's come to a point where it's bouncing back up now. So that is showing that there's still strength in the US currency. The market seems to be doing pretty good and so forth. Yesterday when I was looking at it, the US dollar was down around 85.25. It's now up to 85.82. So it looks like it's going up. It's going to end up on a high note to conclude at the end of this week on Friday, October the 10th. It's 8:30 in the morning right now, Central Standard Time. Let's go ahead and look at our Forex trader here. As we see here, like I was trying to talk yesterday, it looks like we had the Aussie strengthening against the US dollar because it was coming up and across the sell moving average, as it did on the Euro USD and the British Pound and New Zealand US dollar. So as I was saying, it looks like it hits the point, and then now everything's in the red, so it's indicating that the dollar is back in control and it's back on top. US Canada, US West, it's going back up. The only thing that we notice where there's a difference in is on the US Japanese yen. That's again, the US Japanese yen, well, the Japanese yen is gaining in strength against the other currencies. So this would actually show where we do have a cross now into the sell for the US Japanese yen. Even though the US dollar is up at this point, the yen is still going to end up being stronger than the US dollar. So we see where we have this crossover, and it's moving into a sell position. If you want to trade the US Japanese yen, I believe it is better to start a sell instead of a buy. Let's look at the currency strength here. Now our currency strength map indicator, yesterday the US dollar was down, and over the past 24 hours it's gone back above the high percentage. It's moved up. And as you can see here, the Japanese yen has moved in strength with it. So right now the two current dominant currencies are the US dollar and the Japanese yen. So that's the trade on that one. Let's look over here at this other website. You can see here the Japanese yen is a dominant currency, then the US dollar, and all the other currencies are kind of going down into negative, into the red, so they're weaker now. Surprisingly, oil is going down, and gold looks like it's going down as well. So this is the reports that I have currently for the US Forex market. If you're interested in learning more about how to trade the Forex market and to make money like I am doing now, I would appreciate if you would click on the link down below, subscribe to our daily Forex news, and subscribe to the program that tells you how to learn how to trade the Forex. I admit I'm not that good of a talker. I used to talk great, but I guess just sitting in front of a camera like this, I get kind of tongue-tied. But yeah, if you really want to learn how to trade the Forex market, like the way I trade the Forex market, I use a lot of different indicators, and I have a good trading plan set up. The first place you need to start is learn how to trade the Forex, and that's where you need to click on that link below and learn how to Forex trade and make some money with it. This is Mr. Mike signing off for today. Have a good weekend, fellow traders, and we'll see you in the market next week. Bye for now.